let you guys taste first. I don't want to be rude to my guests with what I boiled. Because what? When you know better, you do better. So far I got potatoes, 2 things is tofu, tomatoes, bananas, vegan cheese, lemon and lime, 2 lollipops. That's what I got so far. Before we went to the grocery store, we had went by Burger King and got iced coffee. I still have a little bit of iced coffee left. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some protein powder to it. Grocery store, and I'm gonna do a little brief grocery haul for you guys. I'm not gonna show you everything. I'm just gonna show you some of the things that we got because I got a lot I got to do. So guys, I went live earlier today and did an exercise, and I'll insert the thumbnail for that particular video, so you guys make sure you do that workout. So I've had a productive morning so far. I've already done some exercise this morning, went grocery shopping. Now I'm going to put the groceries up, cook breakfast, and get my day really started. I put a little protein powder in my iced coffee. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat for breakfast. I haven't decided yet, but let's do this grocery haul. And when we went grocery shopping today, we tried to be real mindful. I tried to read ingredients because that's what I'm on now. Just do better. You know, I'm getting myself out of a funk, and I'm just trying to eat better, just do better, just be healthier overall. And that's mostly what my channel is about. It's a long journey in the process, and I feel like when you want to do better for yourself and eat better and be healthier, you just have to take it day by day. That's what you have to do. And guys, let me just say this. I didn't get no snacks. No snacks at all. I feel like taking off running like the girls say, I ain't had no sex. No sex! I ain't getting no snacks. First things first, I got some blueberries, some potatoes. These little potatoes right here, guys, are so good. I boiled them in garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of salt. And they are so good. Me and my husband like them. And it's enough. It's not too many, and they're not too big. I got it for my husband too, but I got 2 things of tofu because I'm really trying to cut back on eating like certain meats and everything. Now, I did get some chicken, and I'm going to show you guys that as well. But I was like, I'm going to do tofu. We also got this Davies killer bread, thin slice, and we got the good seed kind, and it's 70 calories. And guys, this bread, I saw this from somebody's YouTube video. I can't remember the person's name, but they was like, this bread is like really good for you. Also, we got 2 of these vanilla chocolate chip. These right here, guys, game changer. They are so good. We got some organic peaches, organic plums, some coconut milk, non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Okay, my chat partners, so I'm getting ready to cook breakfast. I'm going to have some eggs, cottage cheese, and this is going to be my first time adding cottage cheese to the eggs. And I'm going to put it on these corn rice cakes. They're really good. And I'm going to also add some alpha sprouts to the eggs. And I'm going to use the rest of this vegan cheese as well. I'm also going to cook the eggs in this Kerrygold pure Irish butter. So I have 4 eggs, and I'm just going to let that cook some before I add the cottage cheese and the vegan cheese to it and seasoning. The cottage cheese, I'm just going to add maybe a spoonful of that to it. And add this much to it. Vegan cheese as well. Okay, my chat partners, so here's breakfast. And guys, to be honest with you, I have been eating this like 3 times this week with the eggs, the vegan cheese, on the rice cakes with the alfalfa sprouts, I think that's how you say it. Either way, it's really good. So this is my first time trying it with the cottage cheese. I can't wait to taste it. And guys, I cooked 4 eggs, so that's going to be 2 eggs for me and 2 eggs for my husband. Like I said, portion control, just trying to cut back and just trying to be mindful of what I eat and what I put in my body to just be healthier, to get back on my weight loss journey, fitness journey, just being a better Dionne overall. So let me taste this, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. Okay. Let you guys taste first. I don't want to be rude to my guests, so let me see. Okay. One more time. Okay. It's good. I can't even really taste the difference. I really can taste the difference. So it's good. So I will be cooking my eggs more often with cottage cheese to make it higher in protein. It is currently 12:19. I guess you can say I'm intermittent fasting, but I really can't say I'm intermittent fasting because I had this coffee this morning, but it got sugar in it, you know. But it's okay. What I've been doing lately is I've been boiling water at home, and I've been adding ginger to it. So this is some water that I boiled, and yeah. So I'm gonna have this for my breakfast, me and my husband. So I'm gonna drink this ginger water with our breakfast. And I'm also gonna fill this back up with what I boiled. Yeah. And this is really good, guys. So what I do is I cut up about this much ginger, and I boil it, and I leave it in the tea kettle overnight, and then I just pour it in the glass container and put it in the refrigerator and just drink off of it throughout the day and just refill it and just keep boiling it. So yeah, so this is something new that I'm trying because I was like, I feel for me, it'd be better. You know, even though we did buy some bottled water today, we don't know where that water comes from. However, I feel like if I boil it at home, I know I'm not taking away all the bad stuff, but at least I know I can add ginger to it and it just be healthier overall, and it's actually in a glass. And ginger is good for you too. Because what? When you know better, you do better. Okay, beautiful people. So now it is currently 3:01 and I'm getting ready to eat me some pasta salad. I actually made this yesterday. And to be honest, I'm going to eat this for dinner as well. I'm not cooking anything else today. I cooked breakfast and that's enough. So I made this yesterday, and this is actually chickpea pasta, and it's 20 grams of protein. And also in the pasta salad, I have cucumbers, tomatoes, mushrooms, and red onions. And I also have vegan cheese and Italian dressing. So I have half a cup. So that's how much I'm going to get. Stir it up a little bit. And that's not even a lot. They don't even look like they look like it's hardly none. I'm gonna get a little bit more. There we go. Alright guys, so this is what I got, like 2 half a cups, I guess you can say it's a cup. It's not a lot, so yeah. I'm also gonna take some fingerling vitamins. Get back in the routine of taking my vitamins. Get some fresh air. Got your vitamin D.
I'm in outside. We outdoors.
Yeah, we outdoors.
Everything outside is turning up, clubbing.
Yeah, we outdoors.
We outdoors. You know, seeing this beautiful water. Saw the sunset. Seeing the plane landing.
Yeah, let me show you.